My name is Makadji and I'm 19 years old. I come from France and I'm born in Paris. I'm playing center back on the left. I'm coming to Slovenia to grow up. I think that it's a good team and that we can do a good championship. I started in France. I was at Orléans. After I moved to Italy at Venezia, and the last 6 months I was on loan at Torino. My favorite club is Real Madrid. I'm speaking 3 languages, first French, after English, and the third one Italian. The best thing in football is to win and to score, I think, and the worst is to lose. My goals in Domžale is to help the team. I think that we can go to the first place. I want to help the team to win the championship. In 10 years I see myself playing Champions League with Real Madrid and to play national team and do the World Cup.